Hey everybody, Lucas Purden here, Paul Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon JL. It's white in color, stock number 28676T. This is the 2.0 turbo with the eTorque. It's got the red tow hooks up front, the LED lighting group, the new JL grille, fog lights down low, "17" Jeep wheels. It's got the old Willys Jeep logo on it. Body matching wheel wells and 3-piece hard top. The keyless go doors that open automatically for you. Power mirrors and locks. Leather heated seating. The Rubicon stitching in the seat here. All your controls on your steering wheel for your voice recognition for your phone, your cruise control, and your radio. Your 4-wheel drive. Your sway bar disconnect, your front and rear lockers. Power windows. Your media ports right here for your USBs. Auto stop start control here. Hill descend control. 7-inch Uconnect 4 touchscreen radio with Android Audio and Apple CarPlay. Heated steering wheel. Netting storage here. Rubber floor mats. Some Molly style storage area here. Fold down center console here with cup storage here. Sound bar up top. .115 outlet here, 150 volt. Some more USB outlets here. Rear tow hooks, tow hitch, rear backup cameras, new on the JLs. This has the cold weather group that gives you the heated seats, heated steering wheel, and the remote start. Has the trailer tow group. I don't know if I told you if it has the it does have the 2.0 turbo with the eTorque. Again, we're looking at a 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon JL, stock number 28676T. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit me at Paul Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Or visit us online at paulsherrychrysler.com. Give me a call at 937-778-0830, extension 1129.